Hello everyone, welcome back. So we have discussed a lot about stream, right? So let's talk about the stream API operations. Okay, so what are the operations are available under the stream, right? So the first one which we are going to discuss about map. So when I say map, it's not the hash map which we are discussing. I mean which we seen from the java.util.map package, okay? This map is specifically for excuse me, transforming one kind of data to another kind of data. For example, if my input contains a list of integer or a list of string, I can use the map and return back as a list of integers or whatever the type which we are expecting. Basically, it is for converting one type of data to another type of data. Okay. So the second, it is not the map collection. This is different. Okay, this is the operation which we use for transforming object to different kind of object. Okay, let's take a look at it in a simple example and how we are going to use the map. Let's create a new class. So I'm going to create a new class like what we can say like okay, stream map example, and I need to have a main method. Finish it. Okay, the first thing, as we discussed already, the map is used for converting one type of data to another type of data. Okay, let me create a list of string. List of string which will contain fruits. Import the item list. Arrays.as list. Okay, so arrays.as list. So you can provide the information. For example, I'm going to give apple and orange and banana, and we'll have one more thing, pineapple. Okay, so I have a list of string which contains the fruit names, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to use the map against this particular list, and I'm retrieving list of integer. The list of integers is nothing but the length of each and every fruit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is let's do that. Fruits dot stream. Okay, so under the stream we have a method called map. Map will take a function. So what we are going to do is I'm going to use the length of the string, each and every string. Okay, so length is nothing but it's under a string class, right? So string, I'm going to use a method reference here, string, and the method is length. And then so here I have the transformation, right? So I'm going to collect them as a list. So we can use the collect method to collect which kind of data we need. So inside the collect we need to use the collectors. Collectors. So the collectors which contains all kind of data. So I'm going to return as a to list. If you want to know what is there inside the collector, just control and click the collector, and we have decompiled in place. It will show you what are the things available under the collectors. See, you have a lot of methods here. To list, to set, join, joining, mapping. So what we used to here is a length, right? Okay, you can look for length. Check. I'm not able to see it here, but obviously it's a method under the string. I mean, sorry. If you want to see the length, whether it is, comes under string class, just open the string and you can look for length here. Just Control O and search for the method name length. This is the method. So this is the method which we are using it right now. So instead of the string dot length, we can simply use like this. Okay, I'm going to call it as a list. Okay, so I have a list of fruits and I'm trying to retrieve the list of integer, which is nothing but the length of each and every fruit. Okay, so now I want to print them. So this is a list, right? Either you can use dot for each here, or let me show you that. Okay, it's a list of integer, right? So fruit length, fruit fruit h. So here we are going to retrieve as the integer, correct? Control S. Now let's run this. Let print out length list is equal to fruit length. Okay, let's run this and see what is the outcome of it. Run as Java application. So here in GTH, so we got the outcome, right? So the apple is length is 5, orange 6, banana 6, and pineapple is 9. So looks good, right? Okay, let's, as I said, since it's a list, right, we can try something else also. We don't have to print the data like this. We can try something different also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this because this is a list data, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use for each here. For each system dot out. Anyway, it's just a string, right? So we can use the method reference here. So I'm gonna count this one out and I'm gonna run it again. See, we got the similar data, correct? 5 6 6 6 9. See, basically what I did is I created a list of integer and I retrieve it using this particular variable, which is nothing but fruit length, and then I printed the fruit length. The other way around, we just retrieve the list and then we can directly use dot for each method and we can print the data. This is the alternate way you can do that, but the appropriate way is like this. Okay, so in the next video we are going to continue the same map example, but we are going to use our person repository detail. Thank you.